If you edit videos or podcast and you're still doing it the slow way, stop. You're wasting time. Descript AI is not just a video editor. It's your editor, writer, voiceover artist, and podcast engineer all in one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove filler words in 2 clicks, auto-generate captions, instantly cut videos just by editing text, create audiograms, and short form clips in seconds. This will revolutionize your editing workflow, whether you're a YouTuber, agency, or podcast producer. So let's get into it. The first things first, come to the script and go to the project section and create a new video project, the video you want to transcribe, and it will take a few moments. After the upload, it will auto transcribe the video. It's simple drag and drop, and the script immediately transcribes your video using AI, and voila, it transcribes your video. You have your video as editable texts right here. You can delete full sentences just like editing Google Doc. Simply, you don't want this text, select like this, and hit the backspace, and voila, as simple as that. You have now your just click remove filler words, and this script will clean your entire script. This alone saves hours if you do interviews or podcast. As you can see, it has found the 5 words and remove all, and boom, within just 1 click. So point number 2, second great feature of this website, which is editing text and scenes, and this is the game changer. When you edit your text, your video cuts with it. You delete a word, clip already trimmed. I've already s- I've already saw I've already made you see that if you just simply delete a word, and the video will be trimmed automatically. And by the way, if you want the old school way, the timeline, you can also have that. So we'll just ignore that. Since we have since we can do it in the new AI way. And if you think that here's you need a break, just simply click on enter, and it will give a little bit break here, because it is the fastest way to create high retention content. In this video, as you can see, I have here said a one mistake, and I'll just simply delete this word, uh, because it is the fastest way to create a high retention. As simple as that. In this video, this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to descript a video. So as you can see, I have also said something wrong here, because it is the fastest way to create a high retention content. This quick tutorial, I'll show you how to descript simple as that. So step 1, create a new project, and as you can see, as simple as that. And this one is perfect for jump cuts, B-rolls, or even YouTube shorts if you want. Need to highlight something? Just select a text and turn it to a caption. It will take a few moments, and voila. It's as simple as that. As you can see, it's showing me from where to where it has made the caption. Let's check it up. Just wait a little bit, and it will auto transcribe your video. So drag and drop your video or audio file, or you can either record your, and it has made it a overlay, caption overlay. It's smart, fast, and looks clean, to be honest. Last but not least, the caption and social clipping. This tip generates captions automatically, which you can customize and burn into your video. Want social content? Highlight a section and click publish as audiogram. Let me show you. And by the way, I think you have already know that you don't have to select the video again. All you have to do is to simply just select the text, and as simple as that. It has selected. Now go to the export option, and just select the texts you want to export and export them as a audiogram. Publish as audiogram, or export it as a clip, and boom, TikTok Reels, Shorts, YouTube Shorts. It's done in seconds. Finally, if you want, you can even export them directly to your YouTube, or it has a lots of other websites like the Restreams podcast, Podbean, Hello Audio, even Drive, or render locally. Clean, fast, and no hassle. And here's why I have integrated Descript AI into my entire content creation pipeline. It cuts editing time by 70%. It lets my team collaborate live on videos. I'll just have to create a shareable link and voila. And as you can see, just simply select this Descript web link, anyone with the link or public. As simple as that. It lets my team collaborate however they want. It's basically Premiere Pro meets Google Docs and powered by ChatGPT. As simple as that. Whether you're solo or running an agency, this is how you scale. And don't forget, you don't need to be a pro editor. Descript makes content creation accessible, especially if you're camera shy or short on time. Try it free. Play with it. Once you get the hang of it, you won't go back. See you in the next one.